Hello, James Graney here from InternetBizUni.com, and in today's video I will be quickly running through the exact requirements that you need to set up multiple Amazon Seller Central accounts on a single Amazon marketplace. So I've done this loads of times already. I know exactly what is required in order to have multiple Seller Central accounts on the one marketplace, and in this video I'm going to explain it all to you so that you know exactly how to do it for yourself. This is something that's extremely simple to do, but you must do it right. You must follow these requirements because many sellers have done it and simply been suspended and even banned for doing it the incorrect way. So there is a way to do it, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you exactly how to do it. So I've recently just set up another Amazon Seller Central account on the Amazon.co.uk marketplace, and although I shot a video about this in the past, I'll link it up around here somewhere in the video or below this video in the description so that you can click on it and see it. This is going to be a more detailed one, giving you the exact requirements that you need. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to jump straight into it and give you the requirements that you need to set up multiple Amazon Seller Central accounts on the one Amazon marketplace. So again, you can do this on Amazon.com, you can do this on any of the Amazon EU platforms, as well as Amazon.co.uk. And don't worry about the people that say you're not allowed to set up multiple Amazon Seller Central accounts. They don't know what they're talking about. You are allowed to have as many Amazon Seller Central accounts as you want on a single marketplace, but you must follow these requirements. So I'm not going to waste any time, just going to jump straight into it and give you the requirements now. Okay, so the first requirement is a very basic one, but it's something that you must do, and that is tell Amazon before you open your second or third or fourth Amazon Seller Central account. You must let them know when you're opening your new account. And you do this by simply contacting them from your existing accounts, letting them know that you are opening another Seller Central account. What you'll have to do is provide information on your new account. The most basic information that you'll need to provide is why you need multiple Seller Central accounts. So this is very simple. You can simply let them know that you are starting a new brand if this is what you're doing. If you're starting a new brand of products that's not related to your existing brand, then you are going to want to set up a new Seller Central account for this brand, because you're going to be running it as a separate business, because that's the way you should do it, is by keeping your businesses separate. You should do this for many reasons, but the number one reason is it just keeps it simple if you do. The second reason is it makes it easier when you go to sell it in the future. If you want to sell a brand of products, that they're not all clumped in to the one Seller Central account and you're trying to say this product is a part of that brand and this product is a part of another brand. If they're all in separate Amazon Seller Central accounts, then you'll simply be letting them know that this is the brand you're selling, this is what they're getting when they're buying that brand. So it just keeps it very simple and makes it a lot easier if you do want to sell one of your brands in the future. Amazon can refuse you at this stage. They mainly do this if your metrics are not up to scratch. So if you haven't been delivering products on time, if you fulfill items yourself, or if you have a high complaints rate, or if you simply have poor feedback, then Amazon won't give you permission to open another Seller Central account. But if all of these are okay and you give them a good reason for opening your new Seller Central account, then Amazon will give you permission. What they will ask you to do is to set up your new Seller Central account and then contact them once you have it set up. So once you have this done, then you simply just set up your new Amazon Seller Central account like you always would, like you set up your initial account. You just fill out the entry form, you'd enter in your new business details, and all of this must be separate from any of your existing accounts. So you must have a new business name, new business bank account, new email address, new contact information for your new business that you are creating your Seller Central account for. Once you give Amazon all this and they allow you to set up your new account, then you would simply log into your new Seller Central account and contact seller support, letting them know that this is your new account and let them know of any of your existing Seller Central accounts. Doing this will allow Amazon to link all of your accounts. Once they have your accounts linked, they will know that you are the owner of these multiple Amazon Seller Central accounts. And this is very important for Amazon, and this is why it's against Amazon's terms of service to open another Seller Central account without Amazon knowing about it. And the reason for this is because it opens it up to a lot of fraud. Like if you just open up loads of different seller accounts, like there is a lot of sellers doing at the moment, and hijacking listings, accounts getting shut down, but then they're simply up and going with a new account straight away. This is why it's against Amazon's terms of service, is to prevent these fraudulent accounts from just popping up as people please to open them. So just to recap on them 3 different requirements that you need, because I know I quickly ran through them. You need to notify Amazon first before you open the Seller Central account. So simply contact seller support, letting them know that you're opening a new Seller Central account and the reason for this. You must be also selling separate products. You can't be selling the same products. Once you have this done, once you have notified Amazon, got permission to open the new Seller Central account, then go ahead, open your new Seller Central account, but you must use all new information. It must be a separate business, must be a separate email address, must be separate contact information that you use when creating your new Seller Central account. As well as this, you must use a separate credit card that isn't linked to any of your other accounts when paying your Amazon fees. But that's it. It really is that straightforward to set up multiple Seller Central accounts on the one Amazon marketplace. And as I said, you can do this on any of the Amazon marketplaces. You can do it on Amazon.com, Amazon.eu, and Amazon.co.uk. It works on them all. And I know firsthand that this works on the different Amazon marketplaces. I've done it on Amazon.com in the US, and I've done it on Amazon.co.uk in the UK. And again, once you open the UK one, then you can link it to the Europe one. And when you open the US one, you can link it to all of the other ones around the US, such as Canada and Mexico. So you can open all of these different Seller Central accounts on the singular marketplaces for the different brands that you own. So I'm going to link up a video below this video, and in this video I spoke about this exact question 2 years ago. Also in this video I mentioned something about the future of private label, and I will be giving you an update on this video and the future of private label. You're going to be able to take a lot of lessons from it. So yeah, if you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave that video in the description below so that you can check it out, and in the next video I'll be giving you an update on it. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, hope that you've learned a lot from it, and I look forward to speaking to you on the next video. Speak soon.